Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD part design tools like Extrude, Cylinder, Hole, Thread, Chamfer, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used for this exercise. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. These are the steps and the dimensions for this drawing. In step 1, we create a cylindrical part with diameter of 50 mm and height of 45.5 mm. Activate the Additive Cylinder tool and set the parameters in the dialog window. Diameter 50 mm and height 45.5 mm. In step 2, we sketch position 2 on XZ plane, and then we create a symmetrical solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile, and then constrain and put the dimensions later. Hide the solid part. First, constrain the geometries. Now, assign the dimensions. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option Symmetric. In step 3, we create the second cylindrical part with the same dimensions but at another position. Activate the Additive Cylinder tool and set the parameters and the position of the cylinder in the dialog window. Move the cylinder 110 mm in X direction and 61.5 mm in Z direction. Click OK to confirm. In step 4, we create the rib between the two cylinders. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Activate the View Section tool and extract the reference edges. Sketch the profile with the polyline tool. To avoid any gap between the cylinders and the rib, sketch the profile 3 mm inside the cylinders. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option Symmetric. Let us correct the height of the rib according to the drawing. The correct height is 88.5 mm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the video. In step 5, we create the two cylinders with the threads on the front side of the existing cylinders. First, we create a plane 34 mm parallel to the XZ plane. Activate the Plane tool and then select the XZ plane. Now, set the distance to 30 for millimeters in the dialog window. Select the plane and then activate the Sketch tool. Hide the plane. Choose this tool to extract the reference edges. Constrain the circles to equal. Constrain the circles vertical and tangential to the reference edges. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option to first and then select the face. Now, we create the inner threads. The hole has M16 thread. Select the front surfaces and then activate the Hole tool. Set the profile type to isometric regular profile and the size to M16. Select also the option Thread. Set also hole cut type to countersink and the diameter to 16 mm and the depth to millimeters. The chamfer dimension should be to millimeters. The measured dimension does not match the requirement. Now, I delete the created hole and solve the issue in different way. First, I create the chamfer, after that, the thread. I create a hole with a diameter of 16 millimeters and depth of 2 millimeters. Now, create a chamfer. Sometimes there is issue with FreeCAD to create fillet and chamfer with exact dimension. That is why I put here 1.99 millimeters. Now, it is possible to create the M16 thread. Select the surfaces and then activate the Hole tool. In step 6, we create the holes with a diameter of 27 millimeters. Select the top surfaces and then activate the Hole tool. Set the diameter to 27 millimeters and select the option through all. The last step is to add fillets to the edges. Select the edges and then activate the fillet tool. Set the fillet radius to millimeters. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. Let us change the appearance of the solid part. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.